Today we're going to bring a mini PC, and if you guys can see, this one actually almost fits in my palm of my hand. Now, including with the Trycoo PC, you're going to get a couple items. You get a HDMI, and of course this one has the HDMI 2.0, and I'm going to show you guys some more details. They give you a mount in case you want to mount this into an actual monitor in the back. Now, I'm going to tell you a story about this. When I worked in a corporate office, we actually set these up where the reception was able to have a computer without even anything taking any space, all right, which is great. So if you ever want to use something like this, or maybe put it out in the library, people can surf the internet or do other small tasks, this is perfect. And it's very discreet too. Of course, you get this 15 watts power supply. It's very slim. It's one of the slimmest ones I've seen. You get the manual to start up, right? Now, this is a 13 Twin Lake N150, all right? That means it's 3.6 hertz. That's on turbo mode, all right? Now, it has 4 cords. Now, we're gonna talk a little bit more about the front panel here. You got the power button, your jack, your 3.5 jack, if you guys can see it, Type C, which is gonna be a 3.2, and then 2 Type A's, which are gonna be 3.2. So now we're gonna flip it around in the back. In the back, you can have multiple options. Now, if you guys can see, you have 2 HDMI's, but in reality, you could have up to 3 displays, including because you could connect a display right in front of the, using the Type C, if you have a display that has a Type C. You have 2 USBs that are Type A, and these are regular USB 2.0. And then you got the landline, of course, you know, if you want to connect your RJ45 connection, and then your power. Open this up, we're going to take it apart and see what you can do and how we can upgrade it, right? So let's take a look at a couple of features. There we go, we got the cover off. You get 16 gigs of memory, which is DDR4. You get a 512 M.2. Now, this is not going to NVMe, all right? So just to let you guys know, it's an M.2 B or A type. If you guys can notice, it has the 2 notches right now. I'm going to put a little description on what type of it you can actually set up. So be careful not to buy an NVMe. It's not going to work with this system. Make sure it's compatible. It has to be a SATA only. You could upgrade this, and you could also upgrade the memory, right? Now, memory up to 32, and then this one you could actually go even higher, maybe 2 or 3 terabytes, depending on the manufacturer that sells the devices. And that's pretty much it. And of course, you got your battery for your BIOS and so forth. That's all you can do from this system. So we're going to go ahead and put it back, and it's very simple to upgrade. All right, so we just got it connected right now, and we are displaying on one monitor right now, and I'm going to show you more details on it, and we're going to go a little bit more in depth on what you can do. And we're going to see if we could game on it too, right? All right, first of all, I just want to show you guys everything that's running right now. It's on an Intel graphic card that's running right now. This is the whole system that's going to show you. I'm going to go into details so you guys can see more. I'm going to go to systems so you can see all the processes in here. So right now we have, like I said, 512 of space, all right, of gigs, and then 16 gigs, and then an N150. And then of course we're going to do the computer management. So we're going to go into see how many cores we have. If you guys can see down here at the bottom, 4 cores. So just to let you guys know, we are running at 4 cores. And then we're gonna game. And the way I know how to game on this system, because unfortunately, when you try to open the game, it takes a little lag. But this could be sitting anywhere in your room. All right, as you can see, here's a machine I have, and side by side with my other computer, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna remote play with this. And in order to make remote play, if you want to play fast games, loading time and so forth, you need extra Ethernet recommended, all right? RJ45 connected to it. We're gonna game on the system. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start the actual gaming. All right, now to play, you have to log into your own Steam ID, or you can play through NVIDIA if you're gonna want the NVIDIA version of it. But today we're just gonna go play remotely. So let's go to our library. In our library, we're gonna go in here. We're gonna go in, and then what you want to do, instead of playing game stream, you see where it says stream, you're gonna hit stream. All right, you're gonna hit stream. And then it's going to start streaming from here. Look at this. And it's going to open up on your main system, the actual game. But look at this. Remotely, we're actually gaming. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. So if you ever want to play games remotely, look at this. This is beautiful. It's actually running from the actual system, so I have no issues running from here. Works great. So if you're gonna run games, you need to have an RJ45 connected to it in order to get the fine results I'm doing. So this is my main computer I'm running in right now. It has a 4090 video card because I'm running really well, but I'm running through actually Steam. All right, so it works very well. One of the best things I like about the system, you could use this system for a cabinet. If you're gonna make your own arcade, your own video game, program your own keyboard, your own mouse. It's really simple to do. I mean, this is one of the best things I like about this system because I'm built in a cabin. I'm gonna use this system. I connected my controller, my PlayStation, my Xbox controller right here, and play some of your old favorite games. We're gonna do Aliens. This is my favorite game. I like it, and you can play old school games. Plays wonderful on the actual system. Load up all your games pre-installed already. Now you got to do is let it ride and play pretty much. So click Predator, push the button to start again, and there it goes. Shoot these guys. Jump. Where's the jump? I forgot how to jump. Ooh. Oh.